don't know why I do. Can y'all hear my music? Can y'all hear my music? Can y'all hear my music? Oh, we about to make some French fries. Can y'all hear my music? Good. Then they won't stop my live video. But can y'all hear me? Like, can y'all hear me loud and clear? Good. So we're making some French fries from scratch. From scratch, y'all. Call them Greek fries. Hey! So, if anybody know that I'm a scratch cook, I like cooking from scratch. So, I'm cooking today. Ooh, wonder if I want to cut this again and make it. I'm listening to Dexter, Nosy Neighbor. Look, one potato, y'all. Look at this, one potato. There we go. I dropped y'all in my pepper. Just like all the devil in me, God is my witness. So we don't want the grease to pop. So we're gonna dry them. They start falling off on my counter. Yes. So yeah, I got my hair tied up. I don't like to have my hair out in the kitchen. I never like to have my hair out in my kitchen. I still want to come out. So I'm just shaking the towel, getting all that water out. It's a lot of water in there. So they about dry. Y'all want me to cut up the other one too? You wash them. These is all-purpose potatoes. All-purpose. Y'all still don't hear my music, do y'all? You're the one I want, though. So now, we're going to drop them in the grease. This is flavored. So it's a little dark. It's garlicky. Let's see if the grease is ready. No, it's not ready. It's almost ready, but we're going to wait. Oh my gosh, it's not going to go. So I take this off my... That's bad. As many as ring lights I got, I don't want to use them. So y'all ready? Test the second one. The grease has to be extremely hot. I am from Columbus, Ohio. Queen Curvy 614. So let me tell you how I got the name, right? So, you know how your plus size, everything is going to say queen size. Oh my God, you wrote way too much. Way too much. I don't even know. No, way too much. Way too much writing. Yo. Oh gosh. So I got the name Queen Curvy 614. So queen size, of course, curvy 614, Columbus, Ohio. Big ups. So look, we got the grease going. Some garlic grease. So the problem is, this is why y'all get burnt. I'm going to tell y'all the reason why y'all get burnt. Y'all throw the fry in from here. No, you bring it down and you put it in. You see that? It is not that difficult. You bring the fry down, you put it in. No splash back. None. So while that's going, and what's going to happen is, I'm going to change the temperature of the grease. So I got it all the way up high. I don't want to change the temperature. Okay, then turn up Ohio for the one time. Yes. So we don't want to change the temperature of the grease, so I'm doing it a little bit slower till the grease get up there. Anthony, what are you talking about? So look, see how close you drop the fries in there? Look. You drop stuff. People be throwing stuff in there. Don't throw it. Drop it in there. Drop it in there nice and slow. Whoa. Okay. Let that cook. I am known for my french fries, y'all. It's cooking. One of my favorites. Y'all love to cook. You want to teach me something? I need more lessons. I would love for y'all to teach me what y'all know. Oh, let me get my apron. Let me wipe off the camera. So, one of the things I learned too while cooking with fried, if you want, you can, like, okay, for instance, I wouldn't want the moisture to sit in, but yeah, Skillet, I need you to teach me how to cook, man. I need you to teach me, Skillet. Hey. So, I'm going to cover it. locking that. Oh, I can't miss this phone call. Hold on. Nope, nobody yet. I turned my phone all the way up though. They say gold is about to drop. Gold is about to take a humongous drop. Everybody tight. Everybody tight. You hear that? Hey, thank you for the follow. So the fries is going. So while the fries is going, right? Set this phone back up here. Hopefully it don't spill over. Let's see. I need to get it with the sticky thing in my ear to put on there. I'm going to adjust the temperature just a little bit so I don't burn them. I don't want the outside too crispy and the inside not cooked enough. So my spoon, I'm going to set that right here. So while that's going, I'm going to take my scallion. I love me some. I'm going to wash that off. Cut it. See, because what we're having tonight, we're going to decorate our fries, but we're going to keep them nice and simple. Nice and simple. We're going to make Greek fries today. Where is the jalapeno? No, not the jalapeno. Now I need to get on the pepper. We're not doing it. Okay. We're not doing it. No, I'm not. Maybe they're not. I'm not going back on. I don't feel like it. I see the potatoes. Ooh, I got something to show you. Because we're not going back downstairs, y'all. Okay. So, this is garlic. Blend it up, fresh garlic. I'm going to show y'all something for the bomb topping of your fries. So today is no meat for me. I'm not having no meat. So I just been eating like vegetables. Like earlier I went live and I did, hold on.
Someone's at your door. Someone's at your door.
Hey, the door unlocked. I'm on live. You can come in. It's unlocked. So earlier, so what was I talking about again? I don't even know. So I'm gonna show y'all a topping that y'all can use for your fries. So simple. So you take, watch what I do. The garlic. I like my fries dark. So I'm gonna cut these up real quick. This knife might not work. I might need to use one of my new knives. But we're gonna use this knife and take this sucker and cut it because we need it. Listen, I never use my knives without sharpening them. Don't use my knives without sharpening them. Yeah, I'm about to use garlic topping. I'll be right with you. I'm gonna use some garlic topping, but I'm about to show y'all what I'm about to do. Watch this. So while the fries is cooking, they're thin, so they're not gonna take long. But they not. It's not a commercial kitchen fryer, so you know most commercial kitchens take like 1 second to cook. Y'all don't want to miss what I'm about to do with these fries, so y'all want to wait. And they're fried. So. Drop that in there. That's in there. So what I'm about to do is watch this. Watch this cool trick. after I get this. This is what I'm going to take this off. Use this really quickly. There we go. And the fries are still cooking, but they almost, I want to see how pretty they are. Look. So fries, French fries. I want them just a little bit more darker. Just a little bit. But what I'm about to do now is this. Watch this. So I'm going to take the garlic, right? See the garlic? Take the garlic. Maybe if I got something, let me see what I can hold it in something. My plan is to hold it. Hold it. Hold it. So I'm gonna take the fries, right? I meant the garlic. Look. See? Some is going to come out, some is going to stay. Now you could put this in, you could do this in the microwave. Me, I'm difficult. Fill it over. So as the fries is cooking, the garlic is going to cook. So those little pieces is garlic. I don't know why I keep doing that. The steam. There's no more steam in there. Pretty, right? So that's the color that I'm going for my fries. I like my fries that color. So let's turn the camera around because now that they that color, want to adjust the temperature some, just a little bit. Hold on. There's many stands I got. I'm telling y'all, don't use them. I like the color, and I like the color of the garlic too. The garlic is just so pretty. So we got this. We'll take our fries out. Remember, the little brown things is garlic, minced garlic. Gonna shovel that around a little bit to get some of that excess grease on, and then we're gonna take that out. That's all the grease on the paper towel. You see that? I don't want that in your food. All right. We're going to take some salt. We don't use that old little salt either. I don't know who still buy that little salt. Move it around. Oh, let's see what we can plate this. I want something pretty. Now here's the shebang. Y'all know how I get down when I go plating. I don't have nothing. I don't have no pretty plate. Let's see. I have the one bowls. Oh, see, for the fries. Yeah, see. I like white pop. I just don't have I do have one, but let's see if this will work. Let's see. So I can set the plate back on the heat up here while I plate it. So take the fries. You got the garlics. The little garlics that we have. Remember the little garlic? And we put them up there for a topping. Nicely done. We take our green onions. Remember our green onion. Put them so pretty at the top. We wipe off our hands. Make our hands look good. Feta cheese, because that's deep fried. Remember. And we put some feta cheese at the top. Okay, and then we take a little spice for added color, because we like color. A little bit of color. And then we take some of my fresh parsley, no lilac. I dry my own parsley up, so it's easy. Take your old parsley, set it on a napkin in front of the sun. Just let it. What is that noise? Oh, search your own. All right, y'all ready? Turn the camera around. Boom. Let's see. I think the camera still got some dirt on it. Let me see. I like my camera clean, that's why I'm always wiping it off. Let me wipe. Cheese, French fries, night. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And if you really want to get fancy smashy, I got all kinds of sauce in here. You can make the bomb dipping sauce. Like I'm telling you right now, I could take mayo. I could take some mayo and French dressing, mix it up. It's a dipping sauce. So I can just use ketchup. I don't feel like going down. Everything be downstairs. Everything. That's where I keep my inventory stuff. Like, oh man, that ain't gonna work, yo. It's only a little bit of ketchup, but you can put it over here to the side and you can dip your fry in. Or you can make your cheese sauce. Where the ketchup at? I know for a fact. They ain't about to send me downstairs, all the way downstairs for no ketchup. Because I want ketchup, I want something sweet. But that's all I got for y'all today.